Thanks for taking a few minutes to join with me this afternoon. I'll be quick and brief, but we're just basically going to go through the who, what, how, and why of universal business listing and how we work together with hosting companies. So thank you, everyone. As I mentioned, just a quick overview, and I do apologize if there's any background noise. Who we are, we're a rapidly growing company out of Charlotte, North Carolina. Experienced, established, and growing. We essentially work with a network of resellers across different channels to basically provide our services to either their reseller channel or their end users and direct customers. We do have open APIs, white label capabilities, essentially basically no ego of who we are and what we do. We just phase out of the background and allow you to resell our services to the best of your ability and needs from there. What we actually do and what we provide is actually complete online identity management. Where it used to be 10 years ago, going to your yellow page ads as a new business came into town and needing to get found across their local directories. Now all that's done online in all of the online directories, and so we ultimately provide your clients a way to have one central location to list their business information and then have that distributed across the web to about 350 different online directories, IYPs, 411, mobile directories and devices, etc. From there, we also have a lot of enhanced services such as getting into social media, branding, reputation management, essentially everything that a small business and or enterprise business and everyone in between could utilize for their online identity management and services from there. Why do we do this? Well, this is a great simple depiction of the local search space, and as you can see, it's a really dirty and messy area. And so from a small business perspective or all the way up to large franchises and large enterprise companies, finding their niche and finding their way into the local search atmosphere is very difficult. And so we're able to provide them with one central location, again, to update and manage all of their listings across the web. And then last, how we get into this before we actually take a look at some of the live side of it, how we work with hosting companies. And it really boils down to several different options. We really treat all of our partnerships as just that, a partner first and a vendor second. But we've had a good experience working with hosting companies looking at from a renewal and upsell capabilities standpoint. Again, having enhanced services, basically providing a way to enhance your overall offering to your clients with additional services at the end of the game. And then the reseller/reseller availability. Not only as hosting companies do you have your direct clients that you could resell the services to, but ultimately those resellers have end clients that they can be reselling to as well. So it becomes a two-tiered system to ultimately provide new revenue and a new stream of revenue for you. And then probably the most successful way to get started with the tool under your tool belt is through what we call freemium offers. Just basically free tools that can get the conversation started from the whole product set and having a way to move forward on that. And ultimately that's what I'm going to take a look at here. So I've actually just pulled up a website in the background. And this is what we call our free search widget. This is a very easy tool that we have available to basically get a quick visibility rating of a small business or a large business for that matter. It is free, and so in this case this is just on our ubl.org website, but it can be from an API or white label capability tied right onto the hosting company website and or a third-party website. So what I've done here is I've just added a small business here in the Charlotte area, Cabo Fish Taco. If you're ever in Charlotte, I highly recommend it, along with their zip code. And then within a matter of a few seconds, I can run a quick audit on this business and how they're being found from a visibility standpoint online. As you can see, the visibility rating came back as just roughly about 33% accurate, meaning that yes, they're found in Google, yes, that business is found in Yahoo, but as you can see, it's not found in Bing, not found in Yelp, CityGrid, CitySearch, among many others that we did do a quick search on. So it's, again, just a very quick conversation starter from that freemium model to be able to ultimately either upsell your clients, renew your clients, provide them with a new enhanced service that allows them to get heavily involved with new areas and products that you have available. Now, in the event that this is a client that has come to the hosting companies and interested partner to get started. The next step now is just be able to, how do I improve my score or market it any way you want to market it. But essentially it comes to our package page where you can market this and remarket it any way you want. You can see our prices are on an annual basis, all very affordable from a retail standpoint, and then we do have wholesale and discount pricing available for our partners and our channels we work in. But essentially, from a retail side, between about $30 to $300 a year is what a small business would have to pay. So very affordable, again, from retail, and then that can be priced any way above and beyond from our partners as well. But ultimately, again, it's just a very simple process to list their business information, and then once they've purchased a package, we do have a very interactive admin section that now either the hosting company or the reseller itself can manage all of their different properties and companies that they're working with from a central location, and then also from more of a detailed location of what the businesses look like, where they're at, edit information, ultimately just, again, a very interactive admin to be able to manage that whole online identity space. So again, a very quick overview of who we are and what we do, but I wanted to take a few minutes. I appreciate the time today, and obviously I'd be more than willing to get into deeper discussions as far as all of the additional products and services we have with reputation management, with branding, with trademarking, but all in all, UBL is all about just online identity and reputation of how you can help essentially your clients get better visibility across the web.